Welcome. In front of me is an HMD Fusion, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen like so, which will bring out toggles and notifications, and swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now you're looking for the power saving mode, which should be somewhere. For me, it is on the second page right over here, battery saver. Once you see this, you can simply tap on it. This will bring up a overlay giving you quick information. So turn on battery saver. Battery saver will restrict power consuming activities, background app activities, visual effects, gesture, touch sounds, and vibrations, etc. Automatically to save power. Now we're gonna click on turn on, and you can see it also lowered down the brightness here. So there we go. Now, one of the things that might be happening with the power saving mode being enabled is you might have delay in notification delivery or just not have them delivered to you at all, as it will turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data to preserve your battery when you're not using the device. So something to keep in mind. Once you're done with the power saving mode, you can find the toggle once more, tap on it once again, and this will revert all the changes. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.